Welcome back to the 99 Bitcoins YouTube channel. I'm your host, Omar Khan, and today we're taking a look at Bitcoin. As Bitcoin is currently sitting at a critical level around 101, but we're seeing some crazy price predictions of Bitcoin hitting $1 million. This is absolutely insane. Let's go ahead and take a look. Before we do, I gotta ask if you haven't already, make sure you hit that subscribe button down below so you don't miss any updates like this. And check out the partner of our channel, Best Wallet. Best Wallet is the best anonymous crypto wallet that lets you create an account without verification, ID, or KYC. Best Wallet allows you to buy and swap Bitcoin and many other cryptocurrencies with Best Wallet, the smartest way to buy, store, and manage your crypto in 2025. Available on Google Play and Apple App Store. Recommended by New York Post, Business Insider, Bitcoin.com, Forbes. Many sources in both the financial and crypto space. So check this one out. Link in the description box below. But back to Bitcoin. Bitcoin's going to $1 million. Who says this? Eric Trump himself on the Full Send podcast.
There's people are hoarding Bitcoin. I mean, there are major nations out there that take all their extra energy and use that to mine Bitcoin, right? And so it's becoming truly like a world-class asset. Right now, all of a sudden, you can also buy in your equity markets. You can buy it as part of ETFs. You can buy it, as part of your 401ks, your Roth IRAs. And so it's incredibly valuable. But people were saying that to me. I was telling people buy BTC at $50,000. Eric, it's too expensive. It's at 50,000. I'm gonna wait till it comes down, right? Then it's 80,000 to buy Bitcoin. No, it's 80,000. It's way too expensive.
And it's not just Eric, right? There have been a lot of figures in the crypto space who've been extremely bullish on Bitcoin for the long-term future. And this is another massive person in space that just has this very bullish narrative.
Then all of a sudden it hits 100,000, buy Bitcoin. No, it's too expensive, right? And then it hits 125,000. It's like, guys, I don't know how many more times I can say to you, I think it's going to continue to rip. I think it's going to do really well. And I am all in. And I've never been more proud of this company. American Bitcoin, it's an awesome venture.
And it's great, right? The more adoption, the more the price is going to continue to rise. Why everyone's been so bullish for Bitcoin. Talking about being bullish, there's another Bitcoin project that's getting a lot of attention, and that is Bitcoin Hyper. Bitcoin Hyper is a utility coin that's going to bring L2 technology to Bitcoin. What does that really mean? In layman's term, more features to Bitcoin. Bitcoin's not as fast and cheap as Solana and Ethereum, or BNB for that matter. It's been old, it's been clunky. That's when L2 technology could help kind of bring the numbers up. Bitcoin Hyper is going to be the fastest Bitcoin layer 2 chain, offering scalability and speed to Bitcoin. They're offering 44% staking reward, and it's currently in pre-sale right now. So again, early investors could be incentivized massively. They're currently trading for just over a penny, and in 1 day, 22 hours, they're actually set to increase their price. They raised over $26.3 million. On average, they've been raising $100,000 a day. Bitcoin Hyper will finally unlock fast and cheap Bitcoin transactions. This unleashes the true power of Bitcoin payments, meme coins, and dApps. Again, smart money's already in, and the question is, are you in too? If you are interested, the link in the description box below, it will lead you to the pre-sale page where you can buy from the website. All right, back to X. There's a bunch of really cool posts that are very, very bullish for Bitcoin. So Binance founder CZ says owning 0.1 Bitcoin will be worth more than a house. Okay, and he's not the only person that said this. There's been a lot of catalysts in this space saying things like that. And at this point, 0.1 Bitcoin, we're talking about $10,000, right? So achievable for many, right? And here's the real thing where you got to understand is the more people that are going to want to buy 0.1 Bitcoin, it's just going to cause a more supply shock, which is going to also, with that merit alone, increase the value of Bitcoin. Right? Plus, we take in the ETFs, countries using their extra energy to start mining Bitcoin, and all the mining companies that are out there. This is a no-brainer time zone, okay? Just in, there's a 48% chance Bitcoin hits $1 million before GTA 6 releases, according to Polymarket. Again, some of these Polymarket plays, they've been very interesting. I've been watching them from the sideline. Breaking news, the Fed will print $300 billion after the government reopens deal. The crypto market is about to go parabolic. Every time the printers go on, typically speaking, the assets start to pump as well, okay? There's another one, that was the same one. Sailor making a post 2 hours ago, buy Bitcoin now. So again, smart money's in, and the question is, are you in too? It's only a matter of time before everything starts to send. Bitcoin obviously making massive headlines. Countries are buying in, ETFs are buying in. Money just continues to pour into Bitcoin. Strategy pulls in 715 million for more Bitcoin. Strategy Inc. has set the price for its new STREP preferred shares, securing a $715 million budget to continue growing its Bitcoin stack. Again, money flow like this just indicates that something big could be coming. Plus, we have factored in the market's starting to pump, market up about 1%. Fear and greed index at 25, going from extreme fear close to neutral, and RSI at 51. A lot of buying pressure in the market. Have you been paying attention? And have you been buying the dip? But guys, remember, like always, none of this is financial advice. Always do your own research and due diligence before investing any money in the cryptos we cover on this channel, as I'm not a financial advisor. Therefore, none of this is financial advice. Now that wraps up the video. I'll see you guys all in the next one. Until next time, it's your friend Umar. Peace.